Hey, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a dishwasher, you're going to want to get these dishwasher detergent pods from Drops. They come in these cardboard packages, which is really nice because they're low waste and easy to recycle. The pod sizes are perfect for the dishwasher. These are unscented and they actually do a really great job at removing all the grease and grime from these dirty dishes. You don't even need to pre-rinse them. So once your dishwasher is all done, you can see how nice and clean all these dishes are, and it leaves all your glasses sparkling clear and clean, which is definitely my favorite part. I keep the cardboard box of pods underneath my sink, and I've never had any problem with them. They've never bust open or melted or anything like that. We're really happy with this product. So if you're in the market for dishwasher detergent pods, definitely check these out from Drops. You're gonna love how well they work, and that's my point of view.